Do you want your cucumbers to stay crisp, juicy, and green all season long, while growing faster than ever and with zero pests or diseases? If you imagine a garden where cucumbers climb vigorously, bear plenty of fruit, and stay healthy without any chemical sprays or expensive treatments, then this video is exactly what you need. Today we will unlock cucumber growing techniques most people do not even know about. Stay with us until the end, because missing any step could mean missing out on the best cucumbers you have ever grown. Growing cucumbers in hot weather can be tricky, but with the right knowledge and a few clever natural tricks, your garden can be overflowing with fresh produce in no time. Let us begin. Cucumbers are thirsty plants. Unlike many others, they need a lot of water, but it must be delivered correctly. The number one rule is consistent deep watering. Never let the soil dry out completely or stay soaking wet for too long. Water in the early morning, and always at the base of the plant, not on the leaves. Wet leaves invite mildew, especially during summer heat. One smart tip is to mulch the soil with straw, dried grass, or even shredded newspaper. This will trap moisture, keep the roots cool, and prevent weeds. Do not forget that cucumbers love warmth, but not intense heat on their roots, so mulch is your best friend. Support is also key. Cucumbers grow fast and love to climb. Use vertical supports like trellises, netting, or old fences. This keeps the fruit off the ground away from pests and makes harvesting easier. If you grow cucumbers on the ground, they can rot quickly, especially after rain. Also be sure to prune away any weak or damaged vines. This focuses the plant's energy on the strongest branches and leads to better production. Now, let's talk about some common cucumber growing mistakes that can destroy your harvest. First, never plant cucumbers in full shade. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun per day. Second, avoid overcrowding. Many gardeners plant them too close, and the air cannot circulate. This is a recipe for fungal diseases. Make sure there's plenty of space for airflow between plants. And never forget crop rotation. Do not plant cucumbers where other members of the squash family grew last season. This prevents pest buildup and soil exhaustion. Diseases like powdery mildew and cucumber mosaic virus are the main threats in warm seasons. The best defense is prevention. Give the plants breathing room and avoid wetting the leaves. If you see powdery spots or yellow mottling on leaves, remove those leaves immediately and throw them away. Do not compost them. Also, clean your tools and hands when moving from one plant to another. Fungus spreads fast. Now for the part you've been waiting for, a secret homemade cucumber feed that boosts plant strength, fruit quality, and disease resistance using only 3 simple ingredients: milk, ash, and turmeric. Yes, ash. In half a liter of water, mix 1 tablespoon of wood ash, a natural source of potassium and calcium that supports strong fruit development. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for its antifungal and healing properties. Let this sit for 1 full day. Then strain it and mix in 100 milliliters of milk, which adds beneficial microbes and calcium. Dilute everything with 2 liters of water and water your cucumber plants with 250 milliliters of this solution once a week. This natural tonic strengthens the vines, encourages flowering, and protects against many common diseases. Next up, a homemade protective spray that keeps away insects and fungal threats. For this, we will use garlic powder, baking soda, and chamomile tea. In half a liter of water, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. This natural ingredient repels pests like aphids and beetles. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It alters the surface pH of the leaves, making it harder for fungus to grow. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of chamomile tea. Gentle but powerful against fungal spores. Let it sit for 24 hours, then strain and add another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and lightly spray both the tops and undersides of the cucumber leaves once every 7 to 10 days. Always spray early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid sunlight damage. If bugs keep returning, add more garlic powder. But test on one leaf first to make sure the plant does not react negatively. One last but powerful tip. Observe your plants every few days. If your cucumbers start turning yellow early, or the vines grow slowly, they might lack nutrients or light. Thin out overcrowded leaves to let in more sun. If heat is extreme, create partial shade using garden cloth. Always harvest cucumbers as soon as they are ready. Leaving them too long tells the plant to stop producing. Frequent harvesting means more fruit. Cucumbers are fast-growing and rewarding, but they need consistency and a bit of attention. If you follow these natural steps and avoid the common mistakes, you will enjoy a garden full of fresh, crisp cucumbers all season long. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, share it with your gardening friends and leave a comment below to tell us how your cucumbers are doing this year. We love hearing your success stories. And do not forget to subscribe because we bring you new tips every day absolutely free. See you in the next one, and happy gardening.